Welcome to the world of group home riches, where you can achieve financial freedom while making a positive impact on society. Are you tired of working long hours for someone else? Do you dream of being your own boss and creating a better future for yourself and others? Look no further. With Group Home Riches, you can invest in real estate and provide a valuable service by offering safe and comfortable homes for individuals in need.
The number one investment in real estate.
And start building a better future for yourself and those around you. Let's make a difference together with Group Home Riches.
Well, with our business model, because we're able to cash flow so well, we can afford to pay them market rent or, maybe $100, $200, $300, even more than that. So just imagine that if somebody is doing 4 projects a year, they're getting an extra $300 per project from we're doing on a monthly basis. We're giving them an extra $1,200 per month. 1,200 times 12 months, they're bringing in an extra $14,400 every single year. Now, from our perspective, it works well because we're able to get into these houses without having to qualify for them. And guess what? Birds of a feather flock together. So what does that mean? They're going to tell all their buddies about us and what we're able to do. So in terms of us being able to find inventory, we don't have to search anymore because they're telling all their friends about us and my phone is ringing. I'm getting all these emails. I'm getting all these people contacting me on social media because of what I've done with one relationship. And that's the beautiful thing about what we're able to do in this business. We kind of got to put our creative hats on or whatever, but these are some particular markets that we can target depending on, where we are.
Let's switch it up a little bit, Idris. Let's do maybe a little bit of role play. So
Okay.
Let's say we're at a meetup, which I wanted to talk to you about, by the way, the meetups. We've seen them in the school group. It's awesome.
Right.
But I'm a Burr investor. So
Mhm.
I've been doing real estate investing. I've been making $200 or $300 per month, cash flowing nicely, little bit of headaches here and there, but for the most part, it's going good. I'm at a meetup. What do you say to somebody when you're just first introducing yourself to them?
Well, I'll just say, my name is Idris. I'm with Leah's Home Away from Home. We do shared living investing. And basically, we partner with a lot of real estate investors who are utilizing the Burr strategy to help them have guaranteed income, which allows them to go from project to project to project. And one of the benefits that we're able to bring to the table is that we can pay you market rent and, we could probably pay you even more than market rent because of the type of real estate niche that we are developing. Another thing is the individuals that we have in the homes, they have guaranteed income. Also, we handle all maintenance and repairs for anything that's not under warranty. So this really allows you to become a passive investor so you can really focus on continuing to do your projects and you can continue to get this guaranteed cash flow without worrying about all the property management as well as any evictions. We'll take care of that for you.